Hello and welcome back to Breeze Gaming. Today we have a quick video for you looking at how to draw polygons in Python with Pygame. So currently I have a Jupyter notebook page opened, and I just have some basic cells here with some of the architecture we're going to be using to draw our polygons inside of. So before we get into drawing the polygons, I'm going to walk through what I have so you know what we're starting with. So in this first cell, I just have importing Pygame in system or SYS, and then I'm initializing Pygame. So, and then I just returned that. So now we can use that. And then in this next module, this is the display module, and this is where the screen is built. So all this is setting up the screen that we're going to be using to draw polygons on top of. So screen equals Pygame dot display dot set mode. That's setting the size of the screen. Pygame dot display dot set caption is giving the screen a title, and then screen underscore color is a variable defining the color of our screen, which I have defined as white. And down here, when we actually draw the color to the screen, it uses the variable that I created up here in this module. So I'm going to go ahead and return that. The shape module, this is where we will be building our polygons, but we will not be drawing our polygons until we get down here inside of the game loop. Inside of the game loop, I just have this is just a while loop with a couple of basic statements here. We have for event in pygame.event.get. It just grabs all the events within the game loop. If event type equals pygame.quit, that's asking are there any quit events, and if there are, quit pygame and then exit system. All right, so screen.fill, this actually draws the color to the screen like I talked about earlier. We're going to draw our shapes right here, and then pygame.display.update is simply just refreshing and redrawing the assets in the game loop. All right, so an important note here is you want to make sure you draw your shapes and all of your objects in the correct order that makes logical sense to whatever project you're working on. So, for example, the only things I'm drawing in this loop are drawing the screen color and then also drawing the polygons. So it's important just to keep in mind the order in which you draw objects, because you want it to make logical sense. You don't want to draw objects and then color in the screen. I've used this analogy before, but it's like you're building a sandwich on top of a plate. You want to make sure you put the plate down first before you start building the sandwich on top of it. So we want to draw the screen first before we draw anything on top of the screen. All right, so let's get started with drawing those polygons. So we're going to go up here to this shape module that I've defined right here, and we are going to be building a couple of polygons. So a polygon is, can be essentially any shape that you want to define. It can have any number of corners, any number of sides. A polygon is whatever you want to define it as. So it could be a square, rectangle, triangle, octagon, hexagon, whatever you want. Any of these are polygons. But we are just going to be creating a triangle and a rectangle today. So it's important to know there is a rectangle one you can do. It's pygame.draw.rect, which is RECT, which is rectangle. So you can just draw a rectangle and use that. But just to show you the versatility of the polygon ability within Pygame, I'm going to be drawing a rectangle with the polygon like drawing system in Pygame. But we are going to create a triangle and a rectangle. So in order to create these shapes, all you need to do is literally define the coordinates at which the points are going to be placed. So that's all you're doing here. For both of these, all we're doing is just putting a single bracket, and then inside we're going to put the XY coordinates of where we want all the points to go. So for the triangle has 3 points, so we're going to have 3 sets of coordinates in here. So keep in mind that whenever we return something, and let me go ahead and just return everything like this so we can pull up the screen. I'm just going to run all. All right, here we go. Here's the screen. So keep in mind that whenever we do any coordinate work within Pygame, you want to keep in mind that your 0, 0 axis, your starting point, is up at the top left. Traditionally, for normal graphs, it's always at the bottom left, and as you increase X, it goes to the right. As you increase Y, it goes up. That's for a traditional graph, but Pygame works differently. So keep in mind that 0, 0 is at the top left. So when you increase x, it increases, the same to the right. But when you increase y, it goes down instead of up. So if we have, 100, 100 coordinate location, it's going to go to the right and then down, and it's going to be, somewhere right here. So just keep that in mind whenever you are doing any kind of coordinate work with Pygame. So I'm going to go ahead and restart. I'm going to clear. I need to clear their output. All right, so let's draw those polygons. So we need 3 sets of coordinates for the triangle, since there are 3 points in a triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 100, 100, and then I'm going to do 100, 200, and then I'm going to do 200, 100. And these are the, and these are the coordinate points I'm going to put for the triangle. So I've just created the triangle object by labeling where the points are going to go. Now, in order to draw the rest of the triangle, we want to go under the screen.fill. So we want to go under, we want to fill it, we want to draw the color to our screen, and then we want to draw our polygons. So I'm going to go under draw shapes, and I'm going to do pygame.draw.polygon, if I can spell correctly. All right, pygame.draw.polygon, and then inside, whenever we are drawing an object, the first thing you want to put is where you are drawing the object to. So screen up here, we define screen up here. So we want to put our polygons on the screen. So we're going to put screen, and then we put the color. So I'm just going to make it a green triangle. And then all we do is we input the variable that we created for our polygon up here, which in this case is triangle. So now that we've done that, we are ready to go. We made the polygon up here, and then we drew it down here after we drew the color of the screen in. So I'm going to go ahead and run all this. And there we go. There's our triangle. So like I talked about earlier, it starts at the 0, 0 starts at the top left of your screen. So I did 100 and 100 and drew that first, and then I told it to go 100 and 200. And so 100, 200, and then I said 200, 100. So it's going to draw that, and then it makes the triangle. All right, so now that we've done that, let's go ahead and make a rectangle. So I'm going to just comment that out, and then let's go to the rectangle. So it's important to note that the way that Pygame draws, it draws in a line. So it draws from one point to another. It's connect the dots. So if you draw something in the wrong order, so let's say you're building a square, and you build the top left corner, and then you build the top right corner, you have to draw the bottom right corner next. You can't cut across and do a diagonal and draw the bottom left corner, because it's going to make the shape all wacky. You have to do it in an order like it's a line that's drawing the square. And I'll show you what I mean. So a rectangle has 4 points, so we're going to want 4 sets of coordinates. So let's go ahead and start with that same theme of 100, 100. So we're going to start with 100, 100. Then we're going to go 200, 100. And then we're going to go 200, 200. And then we're going to do 100, 200. So that should draw our rectangle for us, which is really just a square. All right, so there, and then we need to go down here and change the variable that we're using. So theoretically, I don't even need to comment this out, because I'm just changing the variable down here. Rectangle. So we're still drawing a polygon. I'm just going to draw another green. For fun, I'm just going to change the color. So let's make a yellow rectangle. There we go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and run all of this. And then boom, there is our yellow rectangle. So just as we defined with our coordinate locations for the points, we have made a rectangle square, right here, just like that. So I'm going to do an example for you now. Let's say I change a couple of these around. Let's say I do 100, 200, and then I decide that I want to do 200, 100, and then 200, 200. This will make like a weird looking shape. Restart and run all. All right, so look at that. So even though I use the same set of 4 coordinates as I did previously, I did it in a different order. So how Pygame looks at is it drew the first one 100 100, and then it drew 100 200, and then it cut across diagonally and drew 200 100, and then 200 200. So what it does is it's following that line, and it created this double triangle thing right here. So it's very, keep in mind whenever you're drawing shapes, you have to understand the order in which Pygame is going to want to draw it, and like how Pygame draws objects. So keep that in mind to make sure you have the right order of coordinates whenever you're drawing objects, because you could get something like that if you put it in a different order. All right, so that is how you draw polygons with Pygame inside of Python. So I really appreciate you watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much, and bye.